Let C1 is equal to xy such that mod of x plus mod of y is less than equal to 1. C2 is equal to xy such that x square plus y square is less than equal to 1. And C3 is equal to xy such that maximum mod x mod y is less than equal to 1. Be three regions in xy plane. If A, C
J.
underscript J, yes, and denotes the area of the region, underscript J, J is equal to 1, 2, 3, then
Okay, fine. Well, if even if you have a look at the options, they basically want you to decide which area is the largest and which area is the smallest. Okay. Now let us start with C2. Okay. Let us start with C2. Everybody would agree because of this sign of the inequality that it will be the interior of the unit circle. Okay, it will be the interior of the unit circle, right? Because of its radius being 1. So if this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, okay, it will be the interior here. So the area of this circle is, okay, circle is C2, right? So area is pi. Okay, and also we need to take into consideration the intercepts that the circle makes with the axis. Yes. Now if you go to C3, okay, if you go to C3, do you realize that we have already seen how C3 looks? Max of mod x mod y less than or equal to 1. We have already seen that. It's this region in B, and that is the square. Okay, that is the square that you see here. So clearly that is, I think, exceeding the circle's area. That is exceeding the circle's area. Okay, so let me call this C3 square. C3 area is 4. Why 4? Because the side of the square is 2. Okay. So C2's area is less than C3. C2's area is less than C3. So option D is gone. C is also gone because say C2 is greater than C3. Okay. Now let's decide whether it is A or B, and for this we have to go to C1. Okay, C1. Now suppose we are in the first quadrant. What does this inequality become in the first quadrant? X plus y less than or equal to 1, x plus y less than or equal to 1. What is it? It's this line here, x plus y equal to 1, and it's the origin side of it. It is the origin side of it. Okay. Now please understand that modulus is even function. And then we have got both mod of x as well as mod of y, which means whatever curve that we draw, it has to be symmetric about both the axes, right? So we are actually getting a smaller square here. Okay, we are actually getting a region like this. So clearly its area will be smaller than that of the circle. Whatever that is, we are not interested in its value. AC1 is the smallest. AC1 is the smallest. AC1 is the smallest. So clearly B can't be right because here they are saying C2 is smaller than C. So got it?